Hola, Tony.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Muy bien, ¿y tú?
Very good, I'm very good. How are you?
Ready for learning?
Making sea salt caramel today, right?
Yes. Y mi compañero quiere aprender un poco how to make a sea salt caramel.
And we're going to be making it so that you can make it at home and so that you can make it at work, like us.
Yes, like us.
So the first thing we're going to have to get is...
Vamos a agarrar la pat. Vamos a darle una pequeña limpiada. Clean the pot very good because there's like the caramel, they need to clean the pot.
Yeah, if there's any sort of particulate matter inside of the caramel or like any dust at all, you're gonna have everything latch onto that, crystallize, and it's gonna ruin the entire creaminess of it.
Okay, let me bring my scale. Okay, tenemos listo el scale. They need to be zeros and grams.
So the first thing we add is the sugar at 2,040 grams. I like a recipe that starts with a lot of sugar. 2,040 grams.
Okay.
Oh no, this is for the sugar. Sea salt caramel.
200.
So you're using about 4 of these giant scoopers?
Or more.
More?
A
A little bit out.
Listo.
Look at that, perfect.
Next is the corn syrup.
Corn syrup? Alrighty.
Okay, tenemos el corn syrup.
Spreading all over the place.
Oh, can you open it, Tony, por favor? I need
Con mis músculos. Creo que no. I don't think so. I think maybe we need to run a little hot water. Oh, there we go. Okay, 936
grams.
The measurements are really precise. You got a lot of faith in you, Rocio. So why do you use corn syrup?
I use corn syrup for the...
Creamy it up a little bit, keep it from crystallizing.
Yes.
940.
Good, okay.
940.
Close it and...
940.
940. 41.
41.
Where's my caramelo? And I need water. And the water, that's like, you don't need to measure.
No, because you're boiling it off, right?
You need to first add the water. And stir with your hand.
Stir.
Yes. Look, Tony, you need to move all the sugar, incorporate with the water, with the corn syrup. But you need to move it slow. You don't want all the sugar on the pot.
So the biggest danger in caramel is that you're going to end up with the thing going from creamy to crystally, and it'll just shoot up through the entire way through, even from a single piece of dust, or in this case, a big clump of sugar or something. So it's going to form around that, so you have to make sure everything is totally incorporated. She even goes so far as to paint the sides with water so that you can make sure that nothing grows up on the sides of it. There's zero burning on it, allowable. And you notice she had like really precise measurements for all of the sugars and all of the ingredients really so far. So you can have a great balance for it. But for the water, you're evaporating it off, so it'd be impossible to get a proper measurement in the first place. So that's why she just paints the entire way through. It doesn't matter how much water you use, it's all coming up in the end.
Vamos a ponerlo en la lumbre a cocinar. Okay, that's right.
In high temperature?
In high temperature, and as you keep this caramel 300 grams.
Okay.
That's like for probably 30 minutes.
30 minutes?
30 or 35 minutes, and leave like, don't open it.
The top on it?
Yeah, the top on it. And that's like for 30 minutes you need to check a little bit, say that the sugar is not cristalizada. Dejamos esto aquí aparte.
Okay.
Seguimos con la mantequilla, la crema y la sal.
salt.
Ajá. Todo esto lo vamos a tener listo para cuando ya el caramelo es ready. Vamos a hacer esto. Y aquí está el proceso, ¿ok? La sugar, corn syrup, and I clean. Do not take the lid of this.
And you keep the lid on it so that way all the water that's going to try and evaporate up cleans the sides of the piece off, so you never get anything bubbling over and crystallizing. Genius.
And I keep 300 Fahrenheit.
300, and it's the Fahrenheit, okay.
And it's when the color of dark honey.
Oh,
you need to
So you've got your ingredients boiling inside of here to get them all mixed together evenly, no clumps, no nothing. The water is going around the outside of it. Keep it at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. And then that golden honey color.
Tenemos la de esta lista aquí. Vamos a preparar la mantequilla, la crema y la sal.
Okay.
Probablemente tengo la mantequilla aquí. Yo sí. Son, how many is in there? 8?
8.
8. Oh, y la crema.
And you use organic on all your ingredients, huh?
Yes.
So you have 8 sticks of butter there and 5 of the cream packets. The cream is going to be 1,134 grams of cream, 8 sticks of butter.
Really? Thank you, Tony.
Of course.
Cream. Necesitamos 34 grams. 34, okay. Tony is coming with my
Sea salt.
sea salt, okay. And I need 57 grams only for the sea salt.
57 grams sugar, or salt.
Salt.
57 grams salt. How long did it take you to come up with this? The recipe. How long have you been working on this recipe?
Oh, yo, Tony, like
15 years?
No, más de 15 años.
For 20 years?
Estamos, sí.
Been working on this recipe for 20 years. So you unwrap the butter before you use it?
Necesita, sí. And the caramel, they give a little bit of time to prepare everything. Let's make sure they have everything correct and check all the recipe.
As you're going through.
Sí,
more.
yeah. Si miras que ya está.
That.
Si miras que el caramelo ya se está
steaming up on there. That's beautiful.
Podemos cortarlo.
And so you're cutting it just so it dissolves easier whenever you add it to the
Podemos poner,
caramel.
y así es más fácil, más rápido.
Yeah, and like you just said, fast as the
caramel. El
rápido
caramelo.
es necesario.
Sí.
Okay, so we're
For
going to
the
use
ice creams.
this one to make the caramel for the caramel ice cream when we add it to the base, and we're going to use it for the caramel sauce.
The caramel sauce. The caramel is very popular in here.
That's our most popular one is the sea salt caramel.
This is for caramel.
You make the sea salt caramel bonbon, sea salt caramel ice cream, sea salt caramel sauce, sea salt caramel cake.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, the cakes.
It's addictive, huh? Butter, sugar, salt, cream. And how do you tell when it's starting to get ready to open the
There's
lid?
past 20 minutes.
Last 20 minutes, then you open it?
You open it, and see there's if you still the color is not dark honey.
Dark honey.
But always keep this 300 Fahrenheit.
Okay.
¿Sí mira, Tony?
Oh, beautiful.
Pero todavía le falta unos 15 minutos más.
Okay.
Porque todavía el color.
You've been doing this so long, you can tell just by looking at it how much more time it needs.
Y leave
Leave it closed?
closed.
Okay.
Another 15 minutes, and
Another
it's
15.
don't open it.
Because you're going to let all the temperature out, huh?
Yes.
Okay. Because the steam can, so you don't want to latch it on to there because no steam can escape. So you just want a little bit of steam to escape slowly.
Okay, necesitamos una espátula. Okay, de espátula y
And this is
necesitamos
the
el
silicon
guante.
spatula, right?
Sí, necesitamos el guante grande
That
para. tenemos que usar este guante.
Este guante.
Necesito mi guante cuando le ponga la mantequilla porque se va a venir el vapor.
Yeah. So this mixture here is sugar and some water inside of it, but because it's at 300 degrees already, it means that any time that we add any water to it, because it's already above that, it's gonna erupt in a real huge violent thing. That's why you saw us only raise up all the ingredients to about there-ish, because we want all of this space for that expansion to be able to happen. Here's the caramel.
Sí, podemos usar rosemary caramel.
Okay.
And brown butter caramel too.
Okay, so this is more like a base that you start with, so that you can make. Okay, that makes a lot of sense then. So you can make the rosemary and you can make the brown butter off of it.
Brown butter.
Okay.
Listo.
Okie dokie.
Okay,
I'm gonna
Tony.
get out of your way because you're the expert.
Okay, Tony, can you help me to add the butter in here? Just like slow.
So you're gonna slowly add that on top there. Oh, I'm scared.
No.
Okay, no. Don't be scared.
Tony.
You're a lot braver than I am, Rocio.
Si miras, the butter is almost like melting fast because the sugar is
so beautiful. Oh my gosh, Rocio, that's so cool. Last two. Woo. And so how long do you usually have to stir this for?
That's like when the butter is melt.
Oh, that's it? You just have to see no problem.
When the butter is melt, you can add the
Cream. Okay. Ready? Yeah. Okay. Oh, that's so cool. Ready. Okay.
You heard the pipe?
Yeah. You see, I'm scared. You're braver than me on this one.
That's like you need like slow added. See?
Slow, yeah. We're gonna add the salt now. Okay.
And está listo. Y 1 hour the pot in here, and you see it's more dark when it's done.
Okay. Why does that happen? Because it's like it says something cool. There's no more air bubbles inside there, so it darkens up. So you just leave it for an hour to sit. You put it in the fridge, or you just leave it out?
No.
Because it's gonna cool too fast to put it in the fridge.
No, leave it in there. Like. I need to make the Cecil sauce.
The Cecil sauce?
But
okay.
I need ice.
Ice?
You can bring me the ice too.
Okay.
And the gelatines, leave in
ice for the
Cecil.
sea salt caramel sauce and gelatin as well.
Gelatin.
I can do both of those things.
See?
Okay.
And you can bring me the squeezy bottles.
Squeezy bottles.
I need, the ice. And I need 5 sheets or gelatin.
5 sheets of gelatin.
Yes. And the recipe say 5, okay?
Okay.
Yes.
Underneath. two of them here. Okay. And why do you use ice water?
They melt fast the gelatin.
Keep it from melting?
See,
And 5.
Fine, okay. Wait for this like soft. Little bit, leave it there. Leave it like a couple minutes. Okay. Tenemos listo el caramelo. Tenemos listo el gelatin.
Okay.
Okay. Si miras, Tony, you saw the gelatin? It's like soft. You saw the gelatin? It's like almost.
Yeah, and they're not melted at all because you got the ice in there, huh? Really?
And when you add it in the caramel, there's like you need to squeeze very good the water.
To keep all the water out of it? Okay.
I need 1 full container. There's like one full
quart?
container. Container is this one.
Okay.
I'm not measure. I'm nothing. That's only put it in
Oh,
here.
just even, okay.
And I put it in here. I need a full
Quart container?
Oh,
beautiful. Oh my God, that was
okay.
Okay.
I need to put it in here.
Wait.
You need to like heat a little bit. Okay.
A little bit.
A little bit.
You do everything on high heat, huh?
I'll see. Start to.
This guy over here.
But you make these ones today. There's only like heat a little bit, and you can add the gelatin.
So it doesn't have to be hot, it just has to be a little bit warm.
See.
Okay, so you warm it up in the pot a little bit. Squeeze out all the water.
And add it in here. See, it's milk.
And then you add all 5 of the sheets.
And the gelatin is like more when you add in the siso. There's like more like
Sticky.
Stick.
Helps it stick onto the ice cream too when it's cold instead of just turning into a big icy blob. Here, I'm gonna steal this away from you.
This one is done. The sauce.
And done.
Hemos terminado esta sauce de siso caramel.
The gelatin melts fast. Ooh. Perfect.
Listo. Ready for the ice cream.